In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the MSVCP140.dll not found or missing error here on Windows. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before we do dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you're trying to open up a gamer app and you do see this error, it's almost always caused by a missing or corrupted Microsoft Visual C++ runtime. First, we're going to try repairing it. So begin by hitting Windows and then R to open up the run dialog. And what you're going to want to go ahead and do is type in appwiz.cpl and then hit enter. Scroll through the list in here, and what you're looking for is Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 through 2022. Now you could search for them specifically if that is easier for you, but essentially go ahead and find them just like so, starting on 2015 through 2022. Right click on it right here and you're going to want to select change, and then from here go ahead and hit repair. Once it's finished, go ahead and restart your PC and try opening up your app again. If that didn't fix it though, we're going to do a fresh reinstall by opening up a browser of your choice. In this case, let's go ahead and say the browser that I'm going to use is Google Chrome. Open up whatever for you and type in Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable and open up the first link up at the very top and find the latest package and download both versions for x64 and x86. Even if you do have a 64-bit Windows, you're going to want both. Essentially run one at a time and install or repair them and then restart your PC. And if you still do get this error, and after that, you should be good to go. This is going to check and repair all of your corrupted system files, including the missing DLL dependencies. Whenever you're done, once again, just make sure you're restarting your PC, otherwise this will not work. But if this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, so we greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.